Now round 2 of the bug hat. An added option if you want to make this guy a little bit cuter too. I've taken a red 160 and inflated it a little more than halfway. We're not going to use all of that. We're going to even some little arms. You can also add wings or any number of things you can add. Whatever you think about. So I want to make his arms. I want to make a little about a 3/4 inch bubble. And a little small, less than a 1/2 inch bubble. Make that a pinch twist. Another one just like it. So 2 pinch twists right there. So we've got our little bubble and 2 pinch twists and position and pinch twists on opposite sides. Now we're going to make 2 little 3/4 inch bubbles and then bring them back down side by side and twist that into those 2 pinch twists. So essentially, we get a little handle like that. Now, figure about how long you want your arms and make 2 more little pinch twists. So, there's one. There's another. And these are going to help lock his arms in place so he's not flopping around. And make another one the same length as your first one. And then reverse the process. So now we're going to make our 2 pinch twists. Our 2 little fingers. And then this to the left. Take a little thumb. And then take the excess off. Trim it up. Now figure out where you want his arms. Twist a little bubble there, and then just bring him in where those 2 pinch twists are. Secure his arms on. And now he's got a pair of arms. Isn't he cute?